Victoria McCooey from Victoria McCooey Coaching. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I'm always talking about creating a morning ritual. This was the thing that really jump-started my own transformation. It's just like when you're fragmented, when you're going through something really difficult, you're all over the place, right? And you just need to get centered. It's the first thing that's going to help you be able to heal and move forward. So it's just knowing how to put one foot in front of the other. And if you have a ritual, it's something that you don't have to think about. You just know what you're going to do. So I try to teach my clients to create a morning ritual, and it doesn't have to be an hour. It can just something that takes maybe 15 minutes is all you really need. So even if you can just get up 15 minutes before you have to, before you're thrown into, jumping up, having to get dressed, having to take care of the kids, having to rush off to work, whatever it is, if you just take those 15 extra minutes beforehand that are just for you to get centered, it's going to change the trajectory of your entire day. All right, so I'm here to show you how I make fire water, because this is a great thing to do first thing in the morning as a part or the first step in your morning ritual. And it sounds so like crazy, bizarre, out there, whatever. It's not. It's just really simple. So all it is, so easy. And you have all these things in your house already. So I have a cup of hot water already. I just squeeze half a lemon into the water and then add a big pinch of cinnamon, a little bit smaller pinch of turmeric, and it doesn't matter. Put as much as you like. And I like the tiniest bit of cayenne, because this can get a little crazy, right? You don't want it too hot, but that's why it's called fire water, because it has a little kick. You just stir that up, and you drink it slowly. And you have to keep stirring it, because it doesn't really mix really well, but this is going to jumpstart your day. It's going to clean out your system. It's going to keep everything moving well for the rest of the day. But most of all, it's warm, it's healthy, it makes you feel like you're doing something good for yourself. And while you're drinking your fire water, it's a great time to read your affirmations, maybe write in your journal, say a prayer, read something inspiring. Just take that time to focus on you, start slowly, take care of yourself, heal from the inside out, and I promise you, if you're consistent doing this every single day, it's going to change your life. I mean, it sounds like a big promise, but it really is going to change your life. You're going to start off on the right foot every day, knowing that you're important, you're taking care of yourself. It's going to build up your self-esteem, your self-confidence. You're going to feel better about getting out there. Everything will start falling into place if you just create a morning ritual that you hold sacred, that you do every day, starting with your fire water. I hope this helps you. I hope you'll try it out, and please write me and let me know how it goes for you. All right, I will put my email address in the post. All right, see you next time.